Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on capacity. What is capacity? In simple terms, capacity is a measure of how much liquid a container will hold. The capacity of a container can be calculated when the volume of the container is known. What units are used for capacity? When talking about liquids, we have the following conversions. 1,000 millilitres is 1 litre. Following on from this, 1 cubic centimetre holds 1 millilitre of liquid. So, a container with a volume of 1,000 cubic centimetres holds 1 litre of liquid. Now hence, if you go a little bit further, a cubic metre, so imagine a cube which is 1 metre long, 1 metre wide and 1 metre high, that holds 1,000 litres of liquid. So please remember that, we're going to be using it later. So a cubic metre holds 1,000 litres of liquid, and you can work that out from all this information here. Large capacities. For containers like water tanks and dams, we have the following units of capacity. 1,000 litres, we call that a kilolitre. 1,000 kilolitres, we call that a megalitre. Okay, so when we have things like water tanks, which we can use at home, and then when we have dams which hold a lot of water, the words like kilolitre and megalitre start coming into play. Find the volume of each object and then calculate how much liquid it will hold. The first example, this prism here is 11 centimetres long, 5 centimetres wide and 6 centimetres high. There's the formula for volume. We multiply the measurements together and we get 330 cubic centimetres. Hence the capacity is 330 millilitres. And you can check on the first slide that that is the case. Example 2. Here are the measurements of this object. There's the formula for volume. You multiply the three of them together and the volume is 30,000 cubic centimetres. Hence, the capacity is 30 litres. Because 1,000 cubic centimetres will hold a litre. So 30,000 cubic centimetres must be 30 litres. Example 3. A swimming pool is 20 metres long, 5 metres wide and 2 metres deep. Calculate the volume and capacity. So for the volume, you multiply the measurements together to give you 200 cubic metres. So from the first slide, we have 200 cubic metres holds 200,000 litres of water. Okay, so you check that conversion from the first slide. 200 cubic metres holds 200,000 litres. Because 1 cubic metre, if you remember from the first slide, 1 cubic metre held 1,000 litres. So 200,000 litres, that is 200 kilolitres. So that's the capacity of the pool, 200 kilolitres. Example 4, the swimming pool in the previous example held 200 kilolitres. We just saw that. How many of these pools will hold a total capacity of 1 megalitre? That is, how many of these pools do you need to hold a capacity of 1 megalitre? From the first slide we saw that 1,000 kilolitres gives you 1 megalitre. So, looking at the pool, we have that 5 times 200 kilolitres, because remember, the pool held 200 kilolitres, so 5 of those pools will give you 1,000 kilolitres. So we need 5 pools to make up 1 megalitre. Now remember, you're in total control here. You can stop any slide anytime you want and check this information out and just look at it and you're at your own leisure to help with your understanding.